This tutorial review will show you how to use and how to add interactive widgets on iPhone. So if you're using iPhone iOS 17, you will be able to use interactive widgets. To add interactive widgets, long press on your iPhone home screen, then tap on this plus icon, and now search for the widget you want to add. You can add Apple Music widget, you can add reminder. In my case, I'm selecting here reminders. Now select a widget size and tap on add widget. Tap on done. Once the widget created, now you can easily handle the widget, or you can easily handle Apple Music app from these interactive widgets without opening the reminder or Apple Music app. So that's how we can use interactive widgets. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe Tutorial River. See you in the next video.